Okay, this is a better light. And let's see, we're gonna turn it around. Select the back part. At least one of them cut out. And I gotta cut out this side too. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to foam the top so I can get all the shapes right. At least all the curve right, see, because the bowl top isn't quite right. And what we're gonna do is build up this piece here with foam. Build this piece here up with foam, and then I can cut it to get the lines right. And then we'll go from there. Alright, as you can see, I started to foam it, and you can see the basic shape starting to come up. And you can see with the bowl underneath it, you get a nice round base to come back later on and carve it up, and then you sand it to get the shape just right. See if you can see it because it's at night. But to give it a nice round easy surface, then you can come back later and sand it down and fiberglass it, or either put body filler. But make sure you use this type of rigid foam because the other type dissolves with resins. But it's gonna show it. This type will be fine. You can put fiberglass or body fill over this because it won't dissolve with the resin, which I'll show you that later. But you can see the basic round shape is coming. Then I'll come back and carve it and sand it. This method is a lot quicker too than using cardstock and gluing every piece together and then fiberglassing it. Only drawback is you have to sand the outside if you do the cardstock method. Once you're through with fiberglass inside, you're basically done. Put a little bit more foam on it and let it dry, and then it'll be ready for the other parts.